Good morning guys, welcome back to day 6 of the vlog and day 4 here in Uluru. So it's the last day here in Uluru. We've got a scenic flight booked at 10:30. Fly around Uluru, like an 8-seater airplane. I think there's only 2 other people in it, which is good. So there'll be plenty of room for me and Bree. It's a pretty chilly morning, like it's super cold. So I just got like wrapped up, got like a hat on. It gets pretty cold in the mornings here and the evenings. But usually when it gets to about like 10 or 11, it starts to heat up a little bit. But it's quite nice and crisp, and it's a nice sunny morning as you would expect in Uluru. Let's see where Bree is. There she is. Are you ready?
No.
Where's my phone? There we go.
Hey guys, welcome back.
Here.
I need to sleep.
You just woken up? Okay. So that's Bree. Gonna grab our luggage, grab our stuff, and head out and get our scenic flight. So we just get back to the room. Oh my god, what are you doing? Can you not? Alright, we forgot to fuel up the car, so Bree's gonna go fill up the car with some fuel. I'm just gonna go in, drop our bag, and let the guy know that we're just fueling, so we don't get charged for returning it late. Alright, there we go. That's the scenic flight of Uluru, and there's Rock. Everyone's just getting off. Hope you enjoyed the shots from above. They look pretty cool. And now it's time to get on another flight back to Sydney. Finished up with Uluru. We're just gonna go back to the airport lounge here and chill out until our flight. It's at 2 o'clock, so got a couple of hours to kill. So we get into Sydney about 5:40. It's super quiet here in the Ayers Rock Airport. It's the tiniest little airport. Finally made it to Sydney. We waited like 4 hours. No, 3 hours in the tarmac. There was problems with the boarding list. Yeah, we ended up waiting like 3 hours in the plane. So all in all, we've been like traveling for like 7 hours, 8 hours. So we finally got back to Sydney, and we're just gonna jump in the taxi and get home. So.
Five, 6, 7, 8, my boots good and baby, it's driving me crazy. Western, dead something. Romeo, Romeo. 5, 6, 7, 8.